Welcome to the E-Calc USA overview tutorial. An app created for iPhones, iPads, and Macs. I have included links to the different sections of the video, so feel free to skip ahead to a specific section you may need help with. Now, let's go ahead and open up the app. The app opens to the project list screen, which is a list of all your saved projects. Once you have projects created, and if one of your projects is selected, the app will automatically open into the project detail screen of the selected project. Let's first have a look at the top toolbar. The first button will slide up the information sheet. This sheet lists all the saved data within your app. If your phone is low on storage, you may want to look here to see what may be using up your storage from within this app. You can't delete modules from here directly, but it does give you a good indication of app storage usage. At the bottom of this sheet, you can see the app version, as well as the electrical code referenced by the app. To dismiss any sheet within the app, you can simply swipe down. The second button in the toolbar is the Help button. This button will display the Help sheet, where you can access email help and any video tutorials we may have. At the bottom of this sheet, you can see the app version as well as the code referenced by the app. To dismiss any sheet within the app, you can simply swipe down. The third button in the toolbar is the Settings button. This button will open the Settings sheet. If you require help for the settings screen, we have a separate tutorial video. You can also press the question mark button to display help text below each section. The search bar allows you to search project names and is not case sensitive. The blue Add New Project button will create a new project and display the project details screen automatically. To delete a project, swipe left on the project and press the red trash can. Be careful, as this action cannot be undone. To select a project, swipe left on the project and press the green check mark button. Only a single project can be selected at any time, so all other projects will become unselected when you select a new project. The selected project will display a green checkmark next to it. When the app is opened, the app will automatically advance to the selected project's details screen. You can press the back button to return to this screen from the project details screen. Now, let's have a look at the project details screen. The project details screen has 5 main sections. The top toolbar, the project information section, the search bar, the module section, and the bottom toolbar. The top toolbar has 3 buttons. The back button will return you back to the project list screen. The I button allows you to shrink down the project info section. This allows more screen space for the module section, which will get quite busy for large projects. The information button will display the project edit screen. From this screen, you can enter many details about your project. We will take a closer look at this screen later in this tutorial. The project information section displays the project name, project number, project address, and the date when the project was created. This information can be edited from this screen, or from the project edit screen as well. Date created cannot be edited, and is set from your phone's calendar when the project is created. The search bar allows you to search your modules, and is non-case sensitive. Typically, the search bar searches within the names of the modules. For material list modules, the search will look at individual materials within each material list. For panel board modules, the search will look within individual circuit descriptions of each module. To the right of the search bar are 3 buttons. If the search bar contains any text, an X button will appear which allows to quickly clear the search text with a single press. The arrow up and arrow down buttons allow you to collapse or expand all of your module categories with a single press. The large, scrollable section is where all of your individual modules for the project will be stored. To add a new module, press the Add New Module button, and select your desired module from the pop-up list. When a new module is created, the app will open it automatically. Press the Back button to return to the project detail screen. Each module category can be collapsed or expanded by pressing its header. To delete a module, swipe left on it and press the trash can button. Individual modules have their own help and tutorials, and will not be covered in this overview. Most of the help you will require can be accessed by each section's information button in the top right of each section. And finally, the project detail screen has a bottom toolbar with 3 buttons. The Head and Shoulders button will open the Contacts screen. From here, you will create contacts for project suppliers, project contacts, and people within your own company. The contacts created here are global to the app and available from all projects. You will need to create contacts before you can add specific contacts to a project from the Project Edit screen. The Hand button will bring up a small list of handy modules that are global to the app and available from all projects. These modules will save their data, but the data will be the same for all projects. The final button is the Calculator button and will open the Construction Calculator screen. The Construction Calculator can be a very convenient resource for many applications, and especially for scaling drawings and performing takeoffs of material quantities. The calculator has its own help resources, which include many video tutorials and a full PDF manual. Now, let's have a look at the Project Edit screen. Access this screen by pressing the Information button in the top right of the Project Detail screen. From this screen, you can enter all the relevant information about your project. Remember that you will have to create contacts in order to attach contacts to the project. A warning will be displayed if you have no contacts. The buttons beside each section's heading allow you to perform certain functions. The Telephone button will call the selected contact if a phone is available on your device. The Folded Map button will open your default navigation app with the address entered. The Globe button will open your default web browser with the appropriate address. The Envelope button will open your default email app with the appropriate information added in. And finally, the List button will open a pop-up list of contacts to choose from. Thank you for watching this overview video. Taking the time to learn the app will greatly increase your ability to quickly and accurately perform calculations. At this point, I would suggest either experimenting with the app and learning with a hands-on approach, or viewing more of our video tutorials. Remember that all the tutorials and manuals are accessible from the app's help screen. If you really get stuck with something, or you need to report an issue, our email link is also available from the help screen. My recommendation would be to view a few of the calculator tutorials, particularly the dimension entry video, to learn how to work with imperial and metric dimensions, and the scaling drawings video. If you work on large drawing sets, the scaling feature of the calculator will be a valuable tool to quickly take off large quantities of material. Once again, thank you for watching and have a great day.